Welcome to my presentation, Bantu, the Human Language Numbers. Our language is over 6 million years old. The most complete source form of human number words is preserved by the Bugal people of Papua New Guinea. The Bugal source form number words are mostly descriptions of body parts. Some words have been altered over time by different pronunciation and dyslexic transposition. The Bugal people's number words are counted on body parts beginning with the left pinky and ending with the right breast as follows. Here's a quick look at what those number words are right there. And the number words are Tarangesa, Metakina, Guiji Metakina, Topia, Manda, Shesi, Trank Gimbi, Podii, Nagama, Dala. The only true number word is Tarangesa, which translates to great first gesture. The next finger is Meta Kina. Kina is the precursor word to finger. Meta means next level. The dyslexic form of meta is Tema, also pronounced Tua, number 2. The next finger is Guiji Metakina, which translates to gigantic meta finger. Guiji, silent second G, is also pronounced 3, number 3. Next is Topia, precursor to the word pointer. Topia transposed form is Peta, in Welsh Petwar, in English 4. Next is Manda, precursor word to thumb, hand, and number. Manda is pronounced Pancha in Sanskrit, Himp in Welsh, Fimp in Gothic, and 5 in English. And also Fitwar in Old Low German. And what this ends up looking like is this right here on the bottom. After the 5 fingers of the hand, the Bugal people preserve a transposed form of Gimbi in place of the word 6 due to difficulties in the learning and expression process due to specific negative behaviors. Bugal number word for 6 is Gabin, a form of Gimbi from body part description Trank Gimbi, trunk bend. The number word 6 is from the word Shesi, precursor to the word wrist. Shesi transposed form is Sehes, 6 in English. Bugal description for number word 7 is Trank Gimbi. Gimbi transposed form is Bemga, also pronounced bend, trunk bend, which is unrelated to the word elbow, but is related to the English word akimbo. Bugal description for number word 7 is Trank Gimbi. Gimbi transposed form is, let's see, okay. Gimbi is also pronounced Sibin in Old High German or 7 in English. The number 8 is from Podii, precursor of the word shoulder. Podii transposed form is Yaidpo, 8. Number 9 is preserved in Bugal as Nagama, the left breast, pronounced Nigun in Old Low German, or 9 in English. Number 10 is preserved in Bugal as Dala, in Greek as Deka, in Old Low German as Tehan, and in English as 10. And again, what these words look like alone is this list right here. And then with their translations is all this list. The Bugal source words can be confirmed by the Aranda people of Australia, who have only preserved the first 2 number words. Although switched in order, Ninta for number 1 is from Metakina, and Tara for number 2 is from Tarangesa. For more proof of number word origin and transposition, I will refer to the number words of the Native American Zuni people. And this is what these look like translated. The Zuni numbers are counted on both hands only. Some number words are transposed forms, and some are agreements on descriptions. Some words have been lost and are forms of other words. Number 1 is Topinte from Tarangesa. 2 is Quille from Tema. 3 is Hai from Guiji. 4 is Aweti, a transposed form of Petwar. 5 is a dyslexic form of 4, Opti, from Bugal, Topia. Number 6 is a description word, Topa Likia, translated 4 in 2. Kia is a form of Tema, Kia. Between description number 6 and description number 7, there's a change in the logical level use of the word in. The description for 7 is Quille Likia, translated 2 in 2, meaning 2 fingers in one hand and 1 of 2 hands. 5 fingers. 2 plus 5 equals 7. The description for number 8 is Hae Likia, 3 in 2. 3 plus 5 equals 8. 9 is Tena Likia, 9 in 2. Likaya is superfluous. The Zuni compound word for number 10 is an agreement on a description, as tem fla, translated is 10 these. Yes, these is 10 fingers. The compound description for number 11 is as tem fla topa yithito na, translated is 10 these 4 with this one down. Number 20 is Quili Kiyen as tem fla, translated 2 times is 10 these. 2 times 10 is 20. And again, this is what these words I've just gone over look like. Hopefully that's all in there. Okay. Next I'm going to talk about the number words of the Mayan people of Mexico and Central America, which show similarities to Indo-European dialect family number words, as well as to the Bugal people's source form number words. And here's what these look like. Okay, the number words from 1 to 10 are hun, ka, ox, kan, ho, uak, uak, uaksek, bolan, lahan. The number words from 11 to 19 are formed by compounding two other number words designating addition of numbers. And that's these ones. The words are bolaka, 9 plus 2 equals 11, laka, 10 plus 2 equals 12, oxlahan, 3 plus 10 equals 13, canlahan, 4 plus 10 equals 14, holahan, uaklahan, uaklahan, uaksaklahan, and bolan lahan, 9, 10. 9 plus 10 equals 19. The Mayan number words between 20 and 100 show a combination of two different systems of number description. This combination of different types includes usage of the source form number words and usage of words similar to the English 2. The ancient combination of the different systems produces a direct linguistic translation which is not always mathematically correct, but is correct by conventional usage. The Mayan number word for 20 is hun kal, directly translated 110. Kal is from the original source form dala. Hun kal is by convention 20. 21 is hun tu kal, 1, 2, 10. 1 plus 2 times 10 equals 21. Number 30 and number 35 interchange the modern word for 2, ka, and 2. 30 is lahan kakal, 10 to 20. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 20 plus 2. No. Lahan kakal, 10 to 10. 10 plus 2 plus 2 tens, 30. 35 is holhu kakal, 15 to 10. 15 plus 2 tens, 35. Mayan number words translate mathematically accurately between numbers 1 and 19, 21 through 39, and 61 through 79. By convention, words for 20, 40, 60, 80, and 100 translate mathematically and linguistically. The combination of different types of oral number counting systems produces compound words for numbers 41 through 59 and 81 through 99, which do not translate accurately with the rest of the system and are accurate only by conventional usage. Aztec number words also show similarities to the Indo-European number words. And here's a picture of these. Hopefully you can see those. Aztec numbers 1 through 3 and 5 are Se, Ome, Yeyi, and Stihika, similar to French dialect Cinq. Number 5 can also be expressed as Ma Kuile. Ma is from Tema, Kue is from Guiji, Li means in. Ma Kuile. 2, 3, in. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Number 4 is Na Ue. Na is from Tema, U is short form of 2, I means in. 2, 2, in. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Numbers 6 through 9 are compounds of words. 5 plus 1 through 4. Aztec number word for 10 is Matlactli. Ma is from Tema. Tlakt is a pronunciation of 8. Li means in. 2, 8 in. 2 plus 8 equals 10. Number 20 is Sem Pau Ali. Sem is 1. Pau is a pronunciation of 2. Al is a short form for 10 from Dala. Li means in. Sem Pau Ali. 1, 2, 10 in. 1 plus 2 times 10 equals 20. The number systems of the Aztecs, Mayans, Celts, and other peoples are not vegetesimal. In the Celtic dialect Breton, the word ugent is 20. U is from 2. Gen is a pronunciation of 10. Ti means in. Ugente. 2, 10 in. 2 times 10 equals 20. And here's what some of these ones look like right here on the left. See that? In Anglo-Saxon dialect, 20 is twentig, translated 20. In Old High German, zwanzig, translated again 20, showing the place value principle. The Gothic dialect word for 1,000 is pu sundi. Pu is 2, sund is a pronunciation of hand, di means in. Pu sun di, 210 in, meaning in this case 10 in 2 decimal places. In Chinese, 1,000 is shi hien. In Vietnamese, it's nagan. In Arabic, gahayan. The Greek number word for 1,000 is kahai li'oi. Kahai is a pronunciation of by, meaning 2, li means in, oi is a short transposed form of iota from the Greek alphabetic numeration for number 10. Kahai li'oi, 2 in 10, means 10 in 2 decimal places, 1,000. The Greek word for 10,000 is mu ri'oi. Mu is from guiji, 3, ri means in, oi is 10, mu ri'oi, 3 in 10. 10 in 3 decimal places from the original decimal place, which is 3,000. Mu ri'oi. Should be right on there. Evidence of the place value principle is found in Roman and Etruscan notching signs called cifra Chiogiotti. Numbers, number words, counting, math, the place value principle, and the zero concept were all understood by humans prior to the 2 million year migrations, as evidenced by the number words and the math predating their modern forms as used by different groups of people. Humans even understood the Big Bang Theory well over 6 million years ago. In Austral, it is Ginunga Gap, translated beginning gap. In Sanskrit, it is Shuni Ata, translated 0 first grade. I'm going to continue on part 2 with the Bantu number words.